Welcome back, people, my family. What's up? Time out, boy, me I tell you, the fastest selling thing in Jamaica right now, my people, water. Because nothing quench thirst better than water. No care how much juice you drink, no care how thirsty you is, and how much juice you drink, you still go thirsty. You still go want water. This is the fastest selling thing in Jamaica right now. For the past month. Not to mention the past 2 weeks. Anyway, my people, but there you know, and you don't know a Kakai again. You understand? Kakai, curly, TT, ever bless, never bless. You know? Vicious, corruption, pussy, everything you can think of. But she has split justice. All corruption, you know. You understand? When you feel like, say, boy, it's just all about only in a life. Anyway, my people, me here should come up on one little blogger, whatsoever she want to call herself, YouTuber, blogger, vlogger, whatsoever, I don't know. But the channel name The Latest, yeah. I come across the video where she try for disrespect. Well, this person sound like a young aspirant to me. You know, because based on her voice, you know, is not somebody who is up in age. Somebody sound young. Although you have people up in age and them voice young. So don't get me wrong. Yeah. And she come out against the person because the person come a stream or a video and a play. I don't know if I stream or the person that dissect the video or what. And before I go to say Curly, look, because my love come showing up, you know, all I do is fabricate story. You know, say yes, I sit down for one little aisle back. See the aisle back there? And the next one over there. So what I do, I rest my things on the aisle buckle. Yeah, come in the yard. And look. See it? Adjustable chair. Alright? Yeah. Watch it now. My foot is off the ground. And watch this. You see that? Yeah. So my love come showing up. See the aisle buckle here? I just rest my stuff on it. You old parasite here. All you do is come in and phone. You saw social media money sweet. And that you realize, you know, Curly says social media money sweet, yo. You saw whole day from us yesterday or Thursday night, oh, you just have post about social media money. Wait do from wait not do, wait buy from wait not buy. Whether the 150 that you really get from the tube and 200 from Facebook as well, you say. I don't know, because I don't know come talk things from the ear for people run with it. But sensible people know what to run with. Social money sweet, yo. And these are the type of money we don't really want. We don't depend on solely. We don't want to go out there go sweat too hard. We don't want the easy one them. Yeah. You understand? You come here, it do nails, it do this, it do that. You buy much toothpaste and you buy. What you do with someone too? Oh, me say I gotta make some care package. So you could have make care package, you know, Curly. And come give me care package, you know, with toothpaste and toothbrush. Or what you want to tell me, say, my mouth think? You'd have to carry that back of your yard. Or you can make care package, give it one toothpaste and one toothbrush. What kind of signal you send to me? So my mouth think, well, and keep that for you pick them. And your friends and Cumberland supporters. You understand? But social media money sweet, man, and that's why you're all over and run it down. Anyway, my people, I could get into the video. As I said, my ear should come out on the latest. But before I get to the latest, I have requested the Charmaine. Many of you might hear that video, that whole thing with Charmaine over Unique. Some of you might hear it already. Some of you might want to hear it again. But for who not hear it yet, I'm going to just play it from the same clipping from over Unique. So you know we hear. Because all along, Curly come and go on and talk how much we don't know she live, and that's why we are worried and afraid how she can't eat and always look good and look nice, and she not gonna work and and she go around and beat on the bush. How our money comes about. Because what she are doing, you know, is this show up a sheet thing and where we see now bring in a fast income. So I can't eat she have, I do all of what she do. And which part she live, she not pay much rent. Because she pay mostly $30 and the government pay the rest. You understand? So We are going to this little clippings here with someone who has known much about the system in America, more than I do, and a lot of us do, even someone where they're America. This person know a lot more than we do. So, no time to waste. I go and dissect the video with the latest after I play this clipping. You requested subscribers, viewers, and all of you people in the comment. So who never hear, this is a chance to listen up, and we thank God no breeze now blow, because really and truly the audio wasn't that of no great quality. So just listen, and then I will get to the video with she when I'm dissecting she going at the latest. Alright my people, so listen up.
I can't see, this is the freaking reason.
Wow.
Reason why I don't watch, when I can't stand her with her
Listen with that
lying.
keen ears in.
And she lies and she lies and she lies. Okay, let's address it. I'm sorry. Let me put you on speaker so I can hear. Hello?
Yes.
This woman is such a liar. And it's like she's such a manipulator. She does her harm. She does her spewing shit. And when people come out back at her, like answering her back, she denies everything and acts a victim. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, she does that all the time.
Because guess what? No, she never did anything wrong. Okay.
Nope.
First
Never.
of all, Marcia, let's put it like this. The last thing she said about the union thing, if you were in the union 1199, that she claimed, remember? She claimed 1199. I have been in that union from I was 19. I'm vested. Okay?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Marcia, you will not be on Medicaid if you were in 1199 union.
You're there. You're there. Backside, you know.
1199.
Say that again. Wait. Say that again.
If you are in 1199 union, you will not be on Medicaid.
You're there.
MEDICAID, not CARE, not care.
Medicaid.
People, I want you to listen carefully, because I said the audio is a little low, a bit low, and the quality is not, because it was like a phone call. So one of just listen. And Marcia, you can't come cuss me about them where you see in the background here. These are some bags, those big bulk cement bags that we use to protect the cars. Listen, the cars from the blossoms, the mango, when the kite very windy now, so the young mango them and ripe mango them, and the breadfruits, yeah, when them a drop off of the tree, them don't drop on the car and damage the car, because blossom on a whole is very dangerous to the color of your car. Worse than them drop all betwixt your windscreen and your back glass and your trunk and your bonnet, and go sit there for a while and water catch it, it stay there and rot neat. You understand? So we put up these bags to protect the cars that when them park. Not the car, the cars when them park underneath there. If you notice, mango and leaf and all kind of things upon them. So you can't come trace me about this. Because this even cleaner than probably in your bathroom or your kitchen or you have. Alright? Yeah.
You are retired.
And for all the others out there.
Okay? If you're retired, then, like my mother is retired, 1199 member, okay? So when
who just joined in, this is all about Marcia Campbell.
she retired, her what you call it, her medical benefits changed over. Where she gets Medicare and she gets Medicaid, but it's under the 1199.
Medicaid and Medicare, I saw it go. There's two difference. I don't know. You're the ones that live in America. So Marcia comes out and speak.
Lord Jesus.
Alright. Marcia, you're getting Medicaid because you live in New York State. You've been on it. Okay? That means you're making under $20,000 because your child is
Hear
So
that?
he's off the welfare. They've done all this time. Let's take it back, because you always tell shit. And we live in the New York City area. And we know. Remember when you were talking about your mother that passed away, the adopted mother house in so-called Astoria, and you said that you could have lived there because all she wanted you to do was pay $300.
Listen,
Marcia,
all that have been
why did you
hiding
pay the
because we have no
$300? That
understanding,
means that you
people.
never worked.
Listen.
Marcia, let's back up.
Listen, all that has been hiding, all our Marcy have been hiding behind allegedly. You know, listen, because we don't have the understanding, we don't have the know-how, we don't have the experience of the American system. Many of you are in America and still don't know anything either. So, you know, listen up to someone with experience, someone who's in the system. All right? But we still can say it allegedly. But I don't think this lady Charmaine need to comes out and talk something that is of no credible source. You understand? So, wanna listen up. Because she have nothing to gain or lose from this. So she don't need to do this. Okay? But she just doing it to show up this big old ass. I don't even know if I call her. You understand? Her head shaped like a nurse shark.
Marcia, you also stated on your lives that when you were married, you did not work. You've been lazy and lazy fucking bum. You've been on the You've been getting welfare.
See it, Marcia, me call Christian a cuss bad word. You see it? The way people obsess and disgust with you, Marcia, you may call Christian a cuss bad word.
For a long time. Let's do the math.
Backside.
You've been on the welfare system when you were young and you had your son. So then therefore when the son reached 18, you know you can't get any food stamp and you can't even claim him out.
Yes.
Because guess what? He was not a productive citizen. So guess what? He had to go and file for his support. You cannot claim him anymore.
Right.
Alright? So now you're on your own. You have to find something to do. Yes, you're doing home attendance.
YouTube, while the music are playing in the background, distant background, I have no control.
Because when Gracie was on her, right, she did come out and she showed the Allen certificate where she did the PCT and the EKG,
Yes.
which is the phlebotomy. Okay?
Yes.
So then therefore, you have to do this. What's your certificate of being a patient care tech, PCT, or back then, before it was called a PCT, also other places called it a PCA, patient care associate. All right? And at that time, when they were switching over in the healthcare field, Miss Nurse, Miss Marcia, right? From a CNA, you would have been in and making good money. Okay, how is it that you are in doing home care? HHA, because patient care tests and PCAs do not work in home. You have to be a home attendant, or if you did not do home attendant, which is a 2-week course, then you do a companion. Okay? That's where you make real money. So how? Okay. Yes, I remember when it was way in the late 90s.
Brother.
This is not a file, it seems like Charmian have, you know. This come like a whole factory will make file. This is not just one file. This is not even a filing cabinet. This is like a factory because all this lady is spitting out whatever she's spitting out. She's doing it so fluently that this definitely show you that this woman have a great understanding of everything. You know, she's not box shuffling. You know, when some people are tell lie while telling the lie, like a lot of them, like, you know, over the fence, a lot of them when they tell the lie, you can't hear them talk. Yeah, man, the mango them the green, man, but when the youth come in a yard and them spray this something upon them, yeah, them just get ripe and the people them come and pick them. But it's when the people them pick them, you see the boy will come spray this something and them start think again what to say after them say the last thing. You know them a tell lie. So when people are, alright, that's why them say great liars, because you have great liars, you know. When them a tell you a lie, you can't know, because they are so fluent. You understand? But there is just a few of them. And as I said, this lady don't need to come and tell no lie. Because she have nothing to gain or lose from it. But just because of this gust with this person who she's speaking about, which is Marcia Kakai Campbell. You understand? Yeah. The woman just come out and speak. Discuss with her. Her behavior is rotten. Her behavior rotten like on and eat there.
Doctor.
They basically were advocating for home attendants that were.
But if you don't listen to the live, what she do? Talking about the whole YouTube payment where she get on Facebook, social media payment and all she get. This show you why she have to come out and be like this. Because one, it's like to how she talk, it's like she just really recently I get payment from YouTube. All here she come in one video where she said me come out and me say you should have monetized long time and she said boy, oh, she get ads on her page, she must say December she get money in a 2 years she talk so lie she tell. She just see the sweetness of social media money. Probably this month payment is the biggest she ever get. And it might be because of me and other few people where I pull her out and Dr. Love and them something there. Where I give her content because she figure more or less she big enough, you know. And she have her own content. As well she's even say in one video with me she talk about the latest when me I go dissect. You understand? She feel like she have content, but your content what you have is not bringing you any success. Your content not turn over no money for your channel. You understand? So if it wasn't for we and me and others who you say not have no content and it's not versatile as you only collect $200 and $150 this week. You understand? And for you, I can tell you this. I start get paid from YouTube from December, my first paycheck. And I've been getting paid 6 months now because you can't count June because you don't get paid for June yet. The money where you get weekend, yeah, are for me. Right? And not for me. I wouldn't say, no, not for me. Yeah, me money, yeah, me money you get, right. Me money you get. And from I have been getting paid, I know I don't touch $1. It lie down in the account same way. You understand? I don't touch $1. But you, Marcia, we are going like your tippy tappy, your happy tappy, your itty tighty. You would have to run, go buy food, do your foot, do your nails, buy all kind of things. Because I just sit down and depend upon. And I come talk about thank God, one door lock, one close. You see when you're prosperous, very little money when I spend, go pay for car. See me get it back there. So you never know say you're gonna get paid. So you don't know the date and the time where YouTube pay you then. But yet still you come and say you get money. You get money from say December or whatsoever and you don't know the stipulation and time where you get paid. Lie on a lie, man. You just tell life is fun.
And underpaid. And then 1199 got involved and then they unionized some home attendants and everything. But the most that they would get paid, I think the home attendant, their salaries are very low. Okay?
Right. Yes.
Now, homegirl, please stop it. I can tell you how you got that apartment. You got an apartment exactly when New York City, I think it was 2 to 3 years ago, reopened the Section 8 because New York had closed the Section 8 certification down for only persons that were in the shelter. But however, they had reopened it about 2 years ago, around the time when you see that she moved to Connecticut, right?
Yes.
It was like a lottery system. So anyone that was making under $20,000
could apply.
Right? The poverty level for a single person. Marcia's son is over 18. She's a single person. She's not married or have a household. So then therefore she applied, she would be qualified for it. She got the lottery. Then she moved. But listen, remember when you get that Section 8 certificate, right?
Mm-hmm.
The Section 8 certificate is like, okay, you can rent any apartment, but you gotta find a landlord that is a section that would allow Section 8 at that time, New York City, housing.
You know, listen, you know, this is somebody who know they know or when they know do. So when Marcia hide behind the shield and feel like people might not understand and know, somebody do. Alright?
Was hot. So that they weren't trying to do no Section 8 because Section 8ers fuck up your place, you know?
Yes.
So you will see a lot of people that Section 8 will move out of New York City or to Connecticut, upstate New York. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
That's why she went up there and that's why she's in that project. It's a project. Now, New York City project has up to 13, 20 stories. Outside of New York City, they look like townhouses that we would call in New York. What you call it, townhouses. But those are projects in that area. She's in a project. Okay? Stop it. She has a Section 8. She has an income coming in. However, with Section 8, you will pay, it depends on your earning. With Section 8, you will probably pay like $30 a month. Your apartment can be like $2,000 and then you will pay like $30 a month.
So Marcia, I them the life they y'all live. That's why you rate up first world country and condemn third world country. So because there is no way you could have lived in a Jamaica and government and pay rent and you only pay $30. So this is the reason why you love America, so you don't love America for nothing more, You love America for the freeness, the free mentality, the opportunity that you can get to get things easy. I bet you any money if you would live in a Jamaica, that little money where you get couldn't go do ear, nails, and buy. You couldn't even buy the 20 toothpaste where you claim say you buy. You wouldn't even think of buy 20 toothpaste. Cause if a medium sized toothpaste then, but that is like what? I think that is about $400 or $500 for one of those toothpaste in Jamaica. So you only buy 20 toothpaste. You understand what I said to you? So this is the reason why you love America. Can you imagine? Big deal, Marcia. Government pay your rent and you only find $30.
Right?
Yes.
We don't know her deal that she got. That's why when she went up there and she was talking about, she don't like it, she can't move because you have to stay within a certain. It's the rule. Usually with Section 8, I think you have to stay within a year. But I don't know with that thing that they opened the last time to the public. 2000. Listen, ask your people if I'm telling the wrong thing. I'm telling you. Because even my next door neighbor, she worked for the city, and she even tried for it, even though she was out of the income guideline. But people just tried.
Charmian, festive drama say, oh boy, Charmian doesn't have the file. Charmian has the entire filing cabinet.
This is not a filing cabinet. This is a filing company or cabinet.
No, sir.
The main reason why I do this, I play back this, I think she sit down and listen out for me more than she just sit down and listen out for Unique. And me want she hear this. Yeah, me want she hear this. You Marcia Campbell, TT, ever bless, never bless. Me want you hear this. And this is the reason why I do this. You understand? By the request of my viewers. Although I did ask if they want me to. And I get a few response. Yes. Run the Charmian. Run it. So I run it. Because me want you to hear it. You understand?
I know what she talking. I know everything. I know it. I listen to her. I used to listen to her. Okay? She even came out when Gracie exposed her. She came out and so yes. So what? I am in a government subsidized housing. Okay? Yes. She admitted it.
Yes.
Now, do you see that she is also saying that the roach on the bottle was wrong?
Yes, was a lie. Yeah.
I was on the live that night. As a matter of fact, when I saw it, I wanted to type it in the comments, but because you were such an asshole,
Man say you can't run, but you can't hide. Cause that the big head they are gonna left out somewhere, one at a time.
But guess what? Dr. Love was on the live too because he used to watch.
And when you're
And
lucky
he kept
cockeye,
bitching about it. And he was like,
and a
yeah, I
people
don't
see
want
who
to
I
give
see
him
you
up.
can't see, but them I see you.
I see. When she lost
Charmy and see you. She catch up on you. She know where I go on. She have your file. So nobody come now, come run wild. Through Charmy and have your file. And talk out your file. Don't come run wild. Cause yeah, say me might have pile. You better mind you have wild. Cause you might end up on boil.
You can't Photoshop a video.
Yeah, yeah. You can't.
Alright? And
Yeah.
then another person came out and went into the date stamp, legendary, went and said, okay, this is what this person posted when it was on the bottle. And legendary also posted it that, okay, it is a timestamp. And at that time, she did not take the video down from her channel.
Wow.
And I think she went back and then she, listen, this woman is full of bullshit. Okay, all of this emotional shit, this woman is very illiterate and very dangerous. That is why she does not have relationship with her son. Okay?
Yeah, yeah, something is wrong.
Nobody can be around her. This type of personality.
She pass illiterate. Because these are people who just tell themselves, say, me and you talk, you and I not talk, me must talk to you. You understand? And this is the same shit she actually want to try to say where the angel situation is concerned, where the angel come. All me like call the angel and me hear she make all a statement there, you know. Me give her back her money, you know. Yeah, man, me give her back her money, man. Worse your show already flop already, me give you back your money, man. Because you got a flop already, you know. You got up on the string of the angel and you come out and say what you say. But if I did July and she said that, you cancel. Me, like the angel and me hear that, me cancel no. And give you back your money. And give you a tip on it. And tell you go. You can't come tell the woman is a professional person. The woman know Carlene's sister before she even know you. And over tell if she didn't even know you and I know you go big friend with her.
She is a mad woman.
So if she have to come out and promote Miss Princess award show to get the support that Carlene's sister can get some form of, you know, stipend from it to help with her procedure for her cancer. And she have to come out come do it. Who is you? Me know. The angel that prefer do this free right now. Present herself at the gala free. At the award show free. Over your money. Me not ask you that if it come to the test. Cause he's nobody. He's like an old time toilet. You understand? I mean I thought the draw chain one them, you know. The one them where you're going and you have to cock up so cause you're afraid the roach bite up on your ass. So you have to cock up so. Yeah. Pit latrine. You understand? When you push the door and go in there, you hear like people in the bathroom and you look nobody in the bathroom. Just before you go in there, you hear like people in the bathroom but nobody in there. And the whole pajama roach them and roach them, the pit roach them were in there. A war and a fight for space in the toilet. And you that a fight for space in a social media after you're there all long before so many of us. My people, I'm not going to play no more of this, you know. Charmian, big up yourself. Unique, big up yourself. I go and dissect this little video here, which she I go at the latest. Because they want to come tell people what to do on them platform. Once it is okay with YouTube, who is you? You is nobody. People do what them feel to do. Like how you do what you feel to do. So people, stay tuned for this dissect live of the latest with Dirty Curly.
Scala. We are 99 behind. Everywhere she shit, she put her blood clot out there. The latest girl, the Jamaican flag. And she a wipe 99 ass. Every time she shit, she wipe her ass.
If so be the case, or because you have been refused and you did have to remove your human toilet from 99. You understand? So, because you were refused by 99 and asked to excuse your human toilet, when did you follow behind 99? You're jealous now because the latest I do the job. So no stay. But when your human talent was being used all over, you never come talk. Because basically, through the latest now, I call 99 name. She a wipe 99 ass and behind. But when your mouth was there, taking all those feces from 99, it wasn't a problem. Tell her no stay.
She's so biased. The girl hate me like a poison. She don't have nothing good to say.
Bias?
Every time, every argument come out her mouth. Every
Bias? And one time gone, we talk about consult dictionary, you know. I want to know because everybody have phone. All you have to do is Google it. All you do is pronounce the word properly if you can't spell it. But if you can't spell it, how you going to pronounce? You understand? Because you have to pronounce the word properly if you Google give you the right thing, you know. Because you always say bias and them tell you about dias. You understand? So you have to can pronounce.
Sentence she make. Every sentence the girl make. She add the woman a yard name. Oh, me bad mind the woman and me grateful woman. She never can go in a one video yet and call me name and me no bad mind. Because she a ass liquor.
But you can never go in a video and not call 99 name. All when the video no can the person who you talk to or talk about, or the person who talk about you and you come and address the person. It not have nothing to do with 99 name. You have to call 99 name. So somebody want to make you feel like it's a big deal in calling your name. What if somebody want to come and call 99 name? You have a problem with that? You shouldn't have a problem with that, man. You understand? You shouldn't have no problem with that.
Because of Jamaica, when she sit down, when she take her big behind and sit down by shit house, that's what she do. Aha. And over there, tell her audience. Oh, me I carry feelings. Oh, me forgot carry the feeling. The woman artist, she can't do anything when she want, she getting paid. All me say, if it was July, she a keep her or something, and me say she a promoter, me cancel her. And that is the truth.
The woman an artist, me for this, me for that. The woman an artist, and she do her thing, and she yeah, but in the same breath, not even a seconds after you say that. You hear what you say? If it was July, and you see her a promoter, you would have cancel. Remember now, you know, it's not your date, you know. So whether in a July or not, it's not on your date. So it's not like you keep the 22nd and Princess keep the 22nd of July. So you hire an artist to work on your show and she come and take advertisement booking to promote her next show on the same date. So if you keep here on July the 22nd and the woman get her bookings or get a job, whether she do it free or at a cost, if you do something for the 26th or for the 20th, which is days before your own or days after your own, it shouldn't be a matter to you or a problem. But guess what, me know? If this show wasn't Princess Brochure show and the angel come and advertise it even a day before your show, you wouldn't have no problem. But it stayed clear. How should we come and advertise over the fence and them your people here? So it stayed clear. It's all because of Princess show. But on the show, on the stay. That's why I say if I did me like the angel and me hear this, me give you back your money, me not wait for you cancel. And give you with interest too.
Exactly. Because them never run to go get her until 2 days. Until 2 days after their watch show. So you go tell me say 2 days after the watch show, them put on calling sister for get a watch show? What?
They want to that. Me say big ear-to-ear stage show. Big ear-to-ear annual shows. A 2 day. 1 day, hours before. Them put artists on it. Them book artists see it. So what? If there's a space there can fill, and you say, boy, okay, this is okay for you, she, and fill a void and stuff, you know, because, you know, as them say, Princess is a cancer survivor also, and whatsoever, and if we can put her up on the show and XYZ and Ray, wish she can probably pull an extra 40 or 20 somebody, just like how you're in search of people for pull an extra 20 where you don't know not going to come on your show. Cause I tell you that in a long time video, you know, most of these people where you are called up about award not going to turn up on your show. And name me 3 out of 5 of the some of them. We're going to turn up for your award. Raga Shanti not turn up. Shibada not turn up. You name them. Not going to turn up. Because why? This wasn't something that properly planned. And the people them were aware. This is something you just always come up and try to incorporate with your gala to pull a crowd from those people, supporters. So you go on your phone with a contact number. Rups. Yeah, Shibada. Yeah, man. I tell you. It's me. A big deal, man. Master Campbell. Who? Master Campbell, man. Big deal. I tell you. Master Campbell. Oh, the little clowny woman on Facebook there. Oh, yeah, you. Oh, yeah, man. I mean, man. You know, say having an award show. And I see you fit for this type of award. You know. And she be just say, okay, no problem. But all the details never iron out. Because she be now going to pay if it come. Unless him live at Hartford, Connecticut, or live right near the venue. Because him now going to come unless you a book ticket for him and whatsoever. It's a one little award, one little no-name award, where now put my status no further, me for go in my pocket to pay if it come. When your award night done, all you no benefit. Not to mention me as a recipient. You will keep the gala. When the gala done and the award night done, you still no benefit much as me. So when me go in my pocket now for pay for an unknown award, we can't do nothing to my status. Say me not get no physical cash, but at least to my status itself. You understand? It not do nothing to my physical status. So me now go in on my money just like Raga Shanti. It's just the same thing. Boy, Raga. Yes, man, I mean, Master. Oh, Master, I can't be no Raga Shanti mouth big. Yeah, man, me know you, man. Why, Raga? Why, me I tell you enough time, me watch you showing, man. Me I tell you, man. I tell you. I tell you, man. You spouse me enough time, me watch your show, man. Boy, me I tell you, you can't go along with yourself, you know. But anyway, you know, so me have one. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, Master, man. Yeah, man, Master Campbell, man. Yeah, man, big deal. Ever blessed. Yeah, never blessed. Yeah, man. Me have an award I put on and you know, so me see you fit for one of the me see you fit for one of the recipient, you know. Yeah, cause me have social media man, yeah man. But Raga Shanti now go turn up. Raga Shanti now no time for that. As me say, it's an unrecognized award. So if you start off your award, you should start some little people that right around your foot there so. And grow it from there so. But you want people to fly from state to state to state to state and travel from state to state to state and buy clothes. Because first thing you tell people say they have to dress nice and dress this kind of buku yaka. But all of a sudden you come right down back. I talk about just as you are or as you're this and you're that and you're way. Because guess what me know. You see say the big excitement where you are come with never did I go work out. So you come right back down to gravy. You know when gravy dry out a pot you have your hard water to eat. And then the gravy just thin out. Yeah. And that's how you come back. Boy, your name ever blessed. You're never blessed. That's why you be a sucker. You're never blessed.
The puppy show that. At 2 days after, how come she never announced her all the time? So 2 days before the award show, they might give her something. Over there, tell people I'm a bad
what
man.
have to do with you?
You should have blocked me. Over there. If you never come over my house, contact my contents, me wouldn't have. You sound like your blood clot voice not even develop yet.
How you scratch a while ago? You take long to pronounce it. You sound like your voice develop yet. Me can't bet you right now, Marcia. Me no know the latest. But if me buck up the latest right now, I me blindfold myself. And the tone stand up in the front of me. And me blindfold. Me blindfold because blindfold you can't see. And me no know the latest. Right now, me pick the latest over you. And remember me blindfold. Because me go tell you something, my people. Just lock on your eye. and stand up. And make, when you stand up, you can't see no, the views. You can't see nothing. Your eye lock, you know, but you can't see nothing. But if two person or a person will walk up to you, you can't see you can't see say somebody walk up to you without hearing the sound, you know. No care quiet them come up, you know somebody, because guess what me know? Get dark. Once somebody come, although your eye lock, the vision get darker. So you know somebody come. And honestly, me could have pick out the latest over here, because me know me not pick that the unscrupulous sitting there. That the art will look pan something there. That the crusty somebody there will look like so many different things. You look like guinea chick. You look like iguana. You look like your head shape like what you call it, Easter egg. You look like so much different thing with your eye cock. So me have to choose the latest over you. Although me don't know her. Remember me tell you that.
Nice and clean what? You think because me if I feel a picture with your brown skin? Listen, all of my sister them is only 3 or 4 weeks more dark. A brown skin side of people that me come from. You know you're ready?
You have too much father, so you don't know which part you come from. Because I must about 3 last name you have. So you don't know where your father, as me tell you in an earlier video. So how you know which part you come from?
Yet. Yeah, you're not ready yet. And even if you are pretty here, you alone are pretty here. Me are pretty here too. Me don't know what you think so. Somehow no think so because you have look light skin and straight nose and no face in the body. Make you go get blood clot sick. And no pretty girl in a blood clot mark right now. Pretty.
They ugly somebody like you know in a mark too. Eh? And you just criticize the woman. And I tell the woman how she don't look like you and she this and her advice and develop good and her this and Tara not. But you flick the script now and flick it kind. And start cuss the woman about the same thing where you fit yourself in the description as. Pretty people they don't there. Ugly people they don't there. The rich live and die. Likewise the poor.
And then you, are you not pretty? Me don't know which part you nice. Which part are you nice? Nice where? What do you think you have a look at brown skin and one straight nose? Blood clot up.
But Master, outreach nice and color and looks and all kind of sitting. Eh? And stop comparing yourself against a younger person, man. Master, you retire before even retirement age. You understand? You have been retired before even retirement age. You know, say that's why no man no want you. That's why no man no live with you. The little man when you get up and boast about every day, he only come visit you when him feel like him back a boil. Only when him feel like him back a boil and him want a release. Him visit you. And the visitors have no expense to him. Because see there, not even your foot him couldn't pay for do. And I say him couldn't pay for do it. But not even your foot him not pay for do. You have to wait for social media money if you go do your foot and then come about say, oh you want to go throw a foot per man? Eh? Look at you.
Eh? I think you nice and clean. I know you alone are brown sisters.
The woman not talk about your sister, the woman not talk about you and her, how your sister coming out. The woman nice and clean. Me never see her, but if I saw she say, I saw she mean she nice and clean. And if I compare, she compare, me give her the pass mark over you. Because me not think nobody else shape and look and ugly like you. Man say right now you're shaped like one ceiling bed. Whenever prop up good. Because you love come body shape and talk about complexion and shape and look and all kind of thing. Every time you and people that talk like say, you stop at the world where you time come on to shape and looks. You're shaped like one ceiling bed when you prop up good. So when them cast and them pull on the prop and the board, them come down, you have this big belly just go shush. And you so just bend up and wheelie. I saw you look like a ceiling bed when you prop up good. Me tell you, say, I don't want to see you out of clothes. I don't want to see you naked. I mean, I want to see your skeleton when you go home. When the flesh gone off of you. Because though my sister has a skeleton and a bone and it harmful, me run gone. So stop come out and come tell people about looks and shape. Because you don't have nothing like that.
Yeah, what you think? You think so because me have you think so because me have flat nose or whatever, me not have me not pretty? Your blood clot pretty like me? Anywhere me go, people come up to me. Down to yesterday, I stop in a Chinese restaurant to buy a sushi. And the lady will get up and pass me out of the restaurant. She get up out of her chair and she see me stomp there on my food. She said, wow, what a tall, beautiful lady. And she tapped me on the shoulder and blessed me before she left.
Well, we know China look good in them young stage. But this a China coming like a be a whole China she used to live against. So she don't know the difference of looking good. Mango that in a people. Have a duck or the one on drop in my head. This a China live against be a old China man. So she don't know the looks of when people look good. And at the same time, if this a China ever see you out of your makeup, out of your fish gogglers, out of your ear, she take back her talk. Because all of them there is a makeup to you looking how you look. And if you stare at you directly like so, we can see the ugliness behind all that makeup, all that ear, all that gogglers we have on. We can see your ugliness. Just to stare at you like this, we see everything. So nobody going like you good looking and feel like you can't treat the Chinese. You understand? The Chinese might just use psychology upon you. Because sometimes we see people out the road now, I say, boy, your shoes look goody. Them time we just don't tell our friends, look at the big old ship the way me now, where she you know, that ugly. But when we see you now here, we like, we the hypocrite self now. Boy, your shoes look goody, me like it, that's why you buy it. Them time me just don't criticize your big dirty shoes where you have where ugly like, and if you have some spaceship, or if you have a Pinocchio. So now come go on like say the Chinese tell you nothing nice. And you always come say people say you can't prove. Somebody like you will love phone and love record. So sometimes if you record some of them things you can prove to the public, so you're not telling a lie.
Man. She and her husband, she look like she a Chinese, but she not deep. They look like she mix. They don't look like them in them late 70s. You understand? I mean, no, say if she see her, she wouldn't tell her so you're beautiful. Because you can't look like me.
Move your man. Yeah, you said the woman in her late 70s. Me just telling them people, the woman live against be all Chinese, so she don't know when people look good. And that's why she tell Marcia she look good. Because through she all herself, she see Marcia as one of she. So you don't know. If me ugly, me I can say me look good looking. So through the China good, I know so she ugly. She just compare Marcia with herself. You understand? And tell Marcia in the opposite way because through she compare herself good looking at 70 years old as a Chinese. Because we know them the species and they don't look great. You understand? The nation they don't look too good after them all and coolie. Okay. No disrespect to any coolie on here. Or any Chinese. But it's just reality.
Put on my clothes, make you look all 10 when people can't recognize me. Good.
So what you know about the latest?
Restaurant, down a Pampy's restaurant and I was talking to in brother or something and me say, me not even know saying brother, me I say, oh me pass somebody, me pass and you come in a restaurant and you see me. And he said no, me say you pass me. And you know call to me. And me live almost the same.
Yeah, because when him pass you look like a clown. A natural clown, as we say, is a clown. So the man pass him, they recognize you. Him live close to you, so him recognize you. Sometimes you might come out of your door or come out of your ear or you're there where him live close to, and him see their natural face and him know you as a ugly somebody there. But him don't know you as the clown. So him pass you as the clown. Him never really see you as the ugly somebody. If you look like the ugly somebody where him know at the time, him would have stop and look and wait at one for she is. And him would have see you. But him pass a clown, so him not look for you being a clown. So that's why the man pass you. And because you look good, or true you dress good, make the man pass you. The man know you as a ugly somebody. So him look for that person there.
Because when you come on social media going like you know somebody, when you know blood clot, dirty ghetto people, underprivileged blood clot, people come on social media going like you know somebody, and not going like you know nice, and you not cuss up bad when you not going and sell no pussy out.
This is what I say. You cuss up bad, you're not going to come on social media and you're this and you're that and you're that. And this is exactly what you're doing. You cuss get every day. And right now I get to you living there because me hear cuss I tell her, I see you tap a talk to a man in your car park. I say, I think you move. You see a man with me, I say, boy, I must have gone, him say he might be out of Africa. And you tell the man, say, you so move because you notice the boy, them with the whole heap and nice and this. If at the upscale place you live, you won't have that. So where you live? Which part you live at Hartford, Connecticut or Ghetto? And it could have roast on the ghetto where you are talking about a Jamaica. Because I live in a ghetto and a boy can't make me move. See me I do my video and I just go tell my big man friend over there so say, turn down your music a little bit. Me one car pull up a play. I'm there, about 2 times I get up and stop the video and go look. I see him pick up and move him now, move. I see him, I just come out of my yard and I go there. I say, General, I do a YouTube video, I don't want to copyright. So here, crack down that. And him just crack it down. You understand? And I ghetto me living up. You understand? But you have to run the fear ghetto where you live in because you can't go talk to nobody. Because no respect no the fear. You understand? Anyway, my latest, don't make she call you down. If she come at you, go at her. Anytime you feel like stop, you stop. But no, make you stop. And don't feel no way less in yourself when she come out and cuss her cloth and I tell you all kind of things and derogative things. Just get back at her. You don't have to be the same person come out and tell her BC, RC, TC. Just go in your vocabulary and find some word and put it together and tell her. I will about discriminating word out there, you know. Where you can't tell her, you know, me and she are going to have try pirate me. She come from one video, she and she start, yes, and she start do the little comedian thing. I know the same video she talk about, you know, boy, the way the YouTube money sweetheart here, you know. Boy, I don't even want to cuss in this video, you know, because I won't pay for it. I don't like when my video them yellow or red, you know. I like when my video them green because I need some money from it. Yes, yes, I need money. Yes, I want money. So I'm going to find some word where I can tell them, you know. Yeah, because I come out here, come find word for tell you, know. So you want to come do the same thing. Now copycat here is, you know that same video there, you know. Same like how that same give me little drama, me little comedian, and me little gimmicks in the video them, and that me see she do. And she thought the same thing now. She tired of cussing the bad word them. But master, let me tell you, some of the bad word them can't cuss. You understand? Some of the bad word them can't cuss because YouTube don't see them as any form of proper English. But it sounds disgusting to the viewers and the subscribers who know what the word is all about. Alright? Speak my mind, people. Continue to like, share, and subscribe. People, at the big old I'll jog me the pan and watch her. Ooh, I got spin a lit down the phone stand. Ooh, me never know me can spin pan I'll jog. When you just come out, come chat, one you know, and talk. When you just time to find something for me. You know what I'm telling you something? Alright, you see tomorrow, me I go in the gully, go defecate. And I put the camera in the gully and I can see. I want to come take it, tell me, say me not on a toilet. A gully me I defecate in. Alright? And I go walk and beg you dinner tomorrow Sunday. Yeah, I make you take it tell me. I video myself, got the gate and knock, bang, 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 bang. I love beg you like a Sunday dinner. Because I want something to take tell me. So only just find all kind of things. Because you got to talk about oil jug where me sit down, pan and way. See the see oil jug, yeah? And see me, yeah? Ooh. You see the chair where me show you. Where? Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up and remember to watch the ads. Life is a Mission TV. Go give it a subscription. Thanks for watching. I'm out.